Day ahead of
Morris,
who's being pushed along. Tigarelli's on the inside of that one. Into the last 3 furlongs. Yapper Hill's in front, but they're well grouped overall. Yapper Hill, Triple Crown Ted. To the left, the grey Linelen. Yellow Jacket Godfrey Bouillon's in the mix. Over the second last, big jump sees Triple Crown Ted hit the front 2 from home. On the run down towards the last, Triple Crown Ted, chased by Godfrey Bouillon. Linelen is to the left. They're followed by Lance Leday. Yapper Hill has dropped away, then Tigarelli and Gorvanek on the run down to the last. Triple Crown Ted is in front, coming to the last. Then Triple Crown Ted got in a bit close there. Godfrey Bouillon in second place.
sorry guys, zero error. For Farhur's Odi and Who Pour the Horses, number 6, 1 race, number 1 in second, 3 and 30, 45, 7 and 50. Thank you guys.